everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I use a selection of products from Miss You Beauty. I use chrome powder. I've got about 3 or 4 different ones. I use pink and I use a lovely creamy white iridescent, I don't know, colour. It's beautiful. Please excuse me, at the moment I have a little bit of makeup on but not a lot, and I don't really look so glam. The reason for that is I'm working and it's a cosy day, so I do apologise. So I will show you the design that I created in this video. So here is the thumb design, and the gel polish I used here is Shell 06. So as you can see, it's white but it's got a little bit of iridescent to it. It's really nice colour. I have already done an infill on these nails with my Brush Up Builder gel, so I'm just applying the first coat of this colour here, which I cure for 30 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in with a second coat and again cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and apply that to my nail, and I cure that in my LED lamp for around about 40 to 50 seconds. With my chrome holographic powder I then go over that nail and with the applicator obviously, and it just gives it that amazing holographic look. How beautiful is that? Look at it, it's so shiny and so sparkly. I just love it. I love it to bits. So then I go in with another layer of my non-wipe UV gel top coat and I cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then I apply some cuticle oil and that nail is finished. Love it. So I'm just applying my cuticle oil here, and it just gives it that lovely finish. So then with my forefinger I use Shell 06 again on this nail, and I actually think this design is probably my most favourite that I've ever done, or one of them. I do have a few favourites, as you probably are already aware. So I apply 2 coats of this colour to my nail. Well, I apply 1 coat, then on the second coat I apply it to the one side of my nail, and then I go in with my neon pink and I just apply that to the other side of the nail, and then I clean the brush and then I go down the middle of the nail or down the centre of the nail with that pink to give it that ombre effect. Then I go in, well, I cure that for 30 seconds and then I go in and do the same again. So I place down the shell colour and then I go in with my neon, and again I just wipe the brush clean and then I go over it down the centre so it does give it that flawless ombre effect. So then I cure that for 30 seconds, then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat, cure that for about 40 seconds, and then with this pearl dust chrome powder and the applicator I just go over it, and it gives it that most amazing unicorn look. I don't know what you call it, but it is amazing. So then I secure that with another layer of my top coat, which I cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I apply my cuticle oil. Cute. So then on my middle finger I go in all with Neon 01 all over the nail, because the theme for these nails is pink, as you can tell, with a little bit of white. So I just go in and cure that for 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with my second coat here. Again, cure that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I apply my non-wipe UV gel top coat. Cure that in my LED lamp for about 40 to 50 seconds. And then with my Galaxy chrome powder, I just pat it down to start off with to cover the nail. And then I rub it into the nail to get that amazing effect. I really think this is probably my favourite chrome powder from Miss You Beauty. I just love it. And I do actually go in with a second coat of this because I just wanted it to be really amazing. So yeah, and I think it is amazing. So then I go in with another layer of my top coat and cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, and then go in with some more cuticle oil. And I've cleaned around the edges as well, around the cuticle of the glitter, because there's loads of it, as you can see. So then on my ring finger, I go in again with neon, my neon pink, and I just cure that, my first coat, in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I just apply another coat of that and cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. Ensuring that you cap the edges, obviously, with all of these gel polishes, just in case. And then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, which then I cure in my LED lamp for about 40 to 50 seconds. And then I go in with my chrome mirror powder and just apply that all over the nail, and it kind of gives it like a rose gold effect. Really, really, really pretty. Just to let you know also, with all these chrome powders you do get applicators as well, just to let you know of that fact. So I just applied some more top coat, which I cured in my LED lamp. Then I went in with Wedding Dress, Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress. And that glitter that is just like, I don't know where I got it from, it's a random glitter, I've had it for ages. And I just do a little bit of a swirly design. I don't really know what you want to call this, random, maybe. And then I sprinkle the glitter over it just before it's cured, so that that glitter will firmly stick to the white gel. And then I go over that with my top coat and cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Cute. And I missed a little bit, so I went over that, as you can see, just around the edge of the nail there. I really like this detail brush, it's amazing. It's perfect just for that little bit of extra detail. So then I went in with cuticle oil, and there is the design. Love it. So then my little finger, I went in with Shell 06. I applied that to the entire nail, which I then cured in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then I went in with another coat of that Shell 06. I really like this, it's just a beautiful colour. And just go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, cure it for 30 to 40 seconds, and then with Pearl Dust I just went over that there to make it just a little bit more, I don't know, sparkly, iridescent. And then with Mermaid Tail 04 and my very fine detail brush, I just go in around the cuticle area and I just sort of drag that down to give it that ombre effect. As you all might probably already know, I love the ombre effect. I just think it's so effective. So then I cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And then I apply cuticle oil, and here's the final result. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, as per usual, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram account and my Facebook account. I also do have a beauty account as well. I'll leave all the links to everything in the description box below. I also have a beauty channel which I will leave you a link to, so head on over to that channel, check out what I've got for you on that one, and I will leave you links to all the items that I used in the description box below for you to check out on the Miss You Beauty website, along with any discount codes. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.